Moving on from Rugged Robot, the next robot we have is Loti-Bot. So Loti-Bot also comes with an app that connects via Bluetooth, just like Bluebot does. The difference here being that Loti-Bot doesn't have any buttons on the back like Bluebot does. So this requires the children to actually create all of the steps and movements throughout the app. The other advancement in the programming journey is that rather than pressing the button to turn left, as it is on Bluebot, in the app, students can actually program what angle they want the robot to move. So that allows them a greater degree of control and greater complexity for the programs they create. With all of that more advanced programming that you can do in the app, the great thing about that is that it lets you draw shapes. So Otti comes with a pen holder built in, so you can insert the pen here and then twist to lower. This means that when you're putting in the angles or the line lengths, you can use that to create shapes like squares or more advanced shapes like hexagons, which is not only teaching children about the geometry and the shapes, but also about the coding required to create those shapes. In the same way that Bbot and Bluebot can speak to each other, we also designed Loti-Bot to communicate as well. So if Loti-Bot sees a Bbot in the classroom as well, the two will speak. Similar to Rugged Robot, Loti-Bot also has proximity sensors built into the front. However, these are much more sophisticated. The sensors on Loti-Bot will actually allow you to measure the distance and then program an output accordingly. As well as that, there's also bumpers on the rear. These will pause the movement if Loti crashes into anything. And there's also an edge detect sensor, meaning that Loti won't accidentally drive off the edge of the table. Compared to the other robots in the earlier stages of our programming journey, like Go and Glow Bot or even being Bluebot, Loti-Bot has a much wider variety of inputs and outputs.